Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize design collaboration with Figma step by step clearly. Start by creating a Figma account if you haven't already. Log in to your Figma workspace. Create a new project by clicking the plus icon. Familiarize yourself with the Figma interface. Invite team members by selecting the share button in the top right corner. Enter their email addresses to send invitations to collaborate. Set permissions for each team member according to their roles. Organize your project by creating separate pages for different sections. Use the frame tool to define layouts for your designs. Encourage team members to leave comments directly on the design by using the comment mode. Utilize version history to track changes made by different collaborators. Use components for reusable design elements to maintain consistency. Create a design system within your project to standardize styles and components. Share design libraries for team members to access shared resources easily. Make use of Figma's built-in plugins to enhance productivity. Schedule regular design review sessions to gather feedback and iterate quickly. Ensure clear communication channels are open, such as Slack or Zoom. Utilize Figma's presentation feature for showcasing designs to stakeholders. Keep documentation up to date so everyone is on the same page. Regularly check for updates and improvements in Figma's features. Encourage a culture of collaboration and open feedback among team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.